Hi, I'm Marcelo. On this video, I will show you some numbers we was able to get on our Instagram automation. Last year was a difficult year for Instagram automation to help customers to sell on Instagram. We have seen large Instagram automation companies closing doors for good. And suddenly, are these less than trustable YouTubers selling doubtful ways to grow your Instagram? And for those who don't believe in automation anymore, boom! See now some numbers of 6 Instagram accounts between March and April of this year. Note that one of these accounts got more than 1,000 followers, followed more than 5,000 and unfollowed more than 5,000. Plus, this account sent more than 900 DMs. Now, see this filmmaker specialist's numbers. His daily follows exceeds 200. But his follow-back ratio don't was perfect. He got around 300 new followers. Pay attention on another Instagram page. This guy began with 10 follows per day and grew up to 200 follows per day. Instagram page with very low trust score. Yes, the ones that have used very bad Instagram automation recently may not get more than 30 to 60 follows per day on the first month of automation. It may take a while for us to rebuild some good reputation or trust score on Instagram for these suffered accounts. Now you can see some Instagram page that was registered on our automation with low trust score. First, it began with little Instagram actions, but it is growing anyway. It's important to say that Instagram automation does not work anymore without close human oversight. There is no 100% automation anymore because Instagram changes algorithm almost every day. Our system, for example, demands constant supervision in order to keep all Instagram accounts working. That is why our services are no longer just Instagram automation. We are now a digital marketing agency, and our main product includes Instagram automation, plus working hashtags for your niche, plus WhatsApp support, plus Instagram growing consulting such as bio enhancement, content counseling, all in just one product. We have more than 4 years doing Instagram growing. Leave the hard work with us. We will help you to sell more on your Instagram. So let's get started now. You can find me, Marcelo, or Barbara in our WhatsApp.